Good morning, Sergey. You working? Can you order me a windshield for the X5M? Yes, I'm ready to test fit the windshield actually. Oopsie, oopsie. So what do you think? It's gonna take like a week? No, okay. Can you order it? Alright. Thank you, Sergey. Bye. Sucks. We had two windshields. And I asked him to order it, and he's like, this is aftermarket windshield, but the dealer using it and he likes different brand. So he likes previous brand BMW was using, but that was on the back order. And he's like, we have two in stock. We can wait, maybe that one gonna show up now. Those two gone out of nowhere and we don't have a windshield. And I'm kinda scared to put this together, welded, without the windshield, because I don't know if the bow is right, and if bow is not right, that way I can take the skin off and can hammer it and make a bow, more bow or less bow. At this point it's kind of screwed. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can heard me, windshield is in Seattle, Tacoma. We had two windshields and I guess somebody picked him up, and the reason we haven't picked those windshields, at least one windshield, is because Sergey, he's a glass guy, have a glass shop, and he tried to order me better glass, but that glass was on the back order, and since I'm working on it and don't know when the windshield needed, he's like, let's wait for the better windshield. But right now used to be two windshields in stock here, now zero. That means a couple X5s being replaced windshields. And again, it's just a regular X5, it doesn't have to be a competition. Oh no, not really, because there's the sensors. Anyway, enough of drama. So the plan is right now, so we don't lose the time working here, then stop and go in town. The plan is right now, go in town, get the panel bond, get the more longer vice grips, more vice grips. Since I can't clamp it, this BMW to a frame rack, as there is no lift for the frame rack to clip in, like this lip over here. BMW have different connections. So what it means, I'm probably gonna have to put this BMW on the belly, on the frame rack, or on the arms of the frame rack. But like I said in the previous episode, guys, let's just show them why talk about it when we can show it. Check this out. We've been having rain. My trailer is over there. We have this much of sludge. Not this sludge, yeah, probably sludge of freaking snow. And it's good. Look at that trailer. Can you imagine how to get out that trailer, get the trailer off of there? Look, it's there's so much snow that's all the way to a freaking trailer, and that trailer about yay high. The back of the trailer is about yay high. Can you imagine for me to get the trailer off? So that's why I kind of don't want to deal with that right now, because it's gonna take some time, take some energy off of this project, which I don't want it. I'm still light up to get this project done. I know some of you don't like that you're talking too much, oh, show more work. Hey, you know what? In the previous episode, we put the 17 hours in. You don't see those 17 hours, that's your problem, you know? But me and Yuri, we put freaking 17 hours in one episode. So you can go and complain to your mom how much I'm talking and how much little work I do. Yeah, that's how it is. Go complain to your mom. So, I think, Yuri, let's go into town, get the stuff we need, prepare it, come back, clean out the snow, get the frame rack out of there, maybe even bring the quarter panels here and go from there. At this point, I don't see a reason to start working on something and then just to be bugged, go in town and lose your motivation to work. That's how I see it. Let's go. Oh, what do you guys think? Yeah, anybody interested in the hoodies? Comment down below. Oh, by the way, another thing. I'm so tired from this. I'm so freaking tired. I get so many people texting me on Instagram, Gmail. You contacted me that I want something. Guys, if I had something for you, I would have said in the video that you want something or something. I never reply in the comments and say, oh, you want something. Those are scammers. There's so many of them on YouTube. If you see anybody comment to you that you want something, you know what you should do? Click on that name and report as a scam. That's it. You can block them. You can send them a long ways. Alaska, Russia, Siberia, I don't know, Argentina, far away. You can send them far away or try to tell them shovel their prizes in something. Please stop sending me that. I'm not telling you in the comments that you want something. But like I said, if you want a hoodie, hit me up. I'm gonna be able to copy you some. Anyway, let's go down and get some stuff done. Yes, sir. Let's do it. If it's that cheap, sure. No, I totally agree. If I dropped something on it, it got the crack or got something, you know, that way, yeah, I don't lose 8 bills. We got the good news. So Sergey come up with the idea. He's like, why would you wanna test fit the $700 or $800 windshield? He's like, what about if you scratch it or you chip it or something, you know, you crack it? You basically lose $800. One would just get the same X5 windshield, the cheapest one, it's under $100 his cost, he's saying, so I'll throw some extra on top because I don't want people just giving me stuff away, you know, for their cost. They gotta make money on top of it. I totally understand. I would love to get the money on top of it too, even though for my friends I don't usually get the money. But anyway, he came up with a good idea. I don't know how I wasn't thinking about it. So we're gonna get the $100 windshield. We can test fit it. If we're gonna chip it or something, it's not gonna be, you know, end of the world. $100, it's not like $800. You're still saving $700.
Exactly.
So yeah, that's a good news. Let's go. I mean, $25 for 3 foot, or look, this one is $50, 14 foot with the hooks. It's easier to buy this. That goes there. That goes there too. Let's go to welding supply, and we still need to buy a panel bond. So this is $550. I think today we're gonna spend $1,000. Wow. We got the windshield. Don't break it, huh?
Please.
Please don't break it. Please. No fast stops, huh, Yuri?
Yep.
No fast braking. Oops.
Uh-oh.
I heard the
Yeah.
I want to make sure it's not gonna break. Uh-huh. It won't fit. So you're trying to say pickup is actually not as wide as the X5? That can't be true. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now so So we made it home, right? We left house today 8:45. Show them what time is it. We just came back. Yeah, 3:22. 6.5 hours. What we got? We got the windshield, we got the garbage can, we got the chains from Home Depot, we got the clamps from my friend because we could not find anywhere to buy them. Panel bond gone, and that's it. Yeah, 5-minute working episode. 20-minute talking. Yeah. If you don't know what you're talking about, how they say shut your front door. This freaking gun, $160. For what? I don't understand. Why does freaking gun cost so much? $289. And this $289 goes gun for panel bond, 3M panel bond, $89. DTM control flow epoxy seam sealer, DTM heavy duty epoxy seam sealer. Hey, I don't know what is this. I think I got the wrong ones. I thought the seam sealer, you know, for those cracks, to fill in those cracks. We got these, we got screws, we got this, we got this, we got these. Weld through primer. Today in the 6 hours we spent over $1,000. You still want to be in the car repair business? Yeah, I thought so too. That's right. So, I was hoping to get the frame rack underneath the car today, but obviously we lost so much time shopping around. I just want to continue working on the vehicle. And since I have a panel bond, I have welder, everything is ready to go. We're gonna take the doors off, take the roof apart, and weld this sides. Passenger and the driver needs to be cut and finish it up completely. And another reason I want to do that is before I'm gonna put a vehicle on the frame, I can actually panel bond the roof, and overnight it can stay and car is not gonna be messed around with until later tomorrow. And by the time tomorrow we're gonna start working on it, by the time we're gonna pull out the trailer, frame machine and all that, it's gonna take us probably another 3-4 hours. So it's gonna be over 12 hours just with the clamps. And the curve time 24, and it needs to be clamped for 4 hours. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's put the wheels back on the vehicle so that way we can lower it and it's gonna be more comfortable to work with. And also I get myself this step ladder, no, not step ladder, whatever that is. So that way, oh wow, that is pretty tall. That way I can work no problem and can walk instead of being on a chair. Let's get to work. Let's see what's this gun made of. I mean, $160. It's gotta be made of gold, right?
Unboxing.
Why this cost $160? I honestly don't understand. But Mexico that way, not towards Canada. Look, it was closed. And I only have 1,000 gas left. Wow.
For how long?
What is it, 1 week? Less than 1 week? It's like 4 days. Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's 2,000. $8.30. So I started 5:30.
6.
6. 2.5 hours, one side, and just the skin welded and grinded.
More 2.5 hours.
It's gonna be 11:30 because I need to cut it and drill out. So that's gonna take an hour at least. But hey, at least one side is done. Yeah, plus I have to prepare the roof, get all the seam sealer off of there. Yeah.
Come on.
So guys, 6 hours later, because right now is 10:43. That side welded and grind off, ready to go. I mean, I'm still gonna have to work with the smaller disc grinder. I mean, different grade. This all welded. What's left is to grind off, and what's left is to install the roof. But it's almost 11 o'clock p.m. night, whatever, whoever wants to call it, and I'm tired. We started working today from 8. Yeah, so that's how it is. I'm gonna continue tomorrow. Today, obviously, I'm done. I'll catch you tomorrow. finally done with the grinding. So what I wanted to do right now is to clean off all this, not adhesive, the seam sealer, prepare everything, get the seam sealer that I purchased, apply on the old seam sealers, fill it in, so when the roof is gonna get back, it's gonna get back on old stuff. It's just gonna add a thin layer of seam sealer so it can glue it. But behind this seam sealer there is actually a panel bond that I need to apply. Exactly what I'm gonna do. And before I'm gonna do that, I need to straighten out the roof a little also clean out the paint off of it, and then I'm ready to start gluing the roof, welding, and finally I can't wait to the top to be finished. But before I can do any of it, I want to test fit the windshield to make sure windshield is gonna lay properly. If not, I still have time to adjust the middle either higher or lower. That's why we're gonna test fit the windshield. So what do I have here? Complete roof. Clamp's gonna stay there at least 8 hours. So it glues together. Everything looks really nice. I like it. I like it how everything coming along. I wish it would go slightly smoother, slightly easier, but hey, still working out. I'm still debating what to do here since it was welded with the copper or whatever that is, and now I either have to weld it through all the way or come up with some different idea what to do, because this whole quarter panel, and I kind of don't want to weld it, and at the same time that's probably gonna be the case, but I'll think about it. We'll sit more on it and maybe I will come up with some kind of idea. Same thing here. So yeah, it's gotta stay like so. I was thinking to get the frame underneath it, but obviously I probably can't do that right now because I don't want to tweaking anything, so I'll leave it alone. I'm gonna wrap it up this episode right here. I hope you did enjoy this episode. We're moving forward and hopefully pretty soon I'll be done with it. If you want to see Inside Scoop before YouTube, you know where to check it out, right? Instagram. Other than that, I'll catch you next one.